Hey guys, welcome back to Oliver Smith Watches. Today I have something incredibly special for you, an absolute exclusive for us here. I haven't actually seen this watch live yet. It is the PAM01800 E-Lux. It is part of the Laboratory of IDs, or LAB-ID if you will, and it is an absolute behemoth of a watch. So this is a 50 millimeter by 22 millimeter thick ti-ceramitech case, submersible, done limited edition by Panerai. What makes this watch special, a couple of things, we're going to go into it. It has 6 spring barrels. That's right, 6 spring barrels. Now, you're like, oh my God, it must have a 2-week power reserve. No, it's a 3-day power reserve. The other barrels are used to electronically charge the generator. Yeah, the generator. This is the E-Lux. So what makes this watch special is right down here. You have this little tab, you push it forward, and when you click it in, the watch itself self-illuminates. So all of these little surrounds on the dial, on the hands, and on the bezel are actual little LEDs. This watch does not have a battery. This is all electromagnetic. There's actually a stator inside connected to the rotor. I've never seen anything like it. For those of you who've been around for a while, it kind of reminds me of the old Indiglo watches from back in the day. Now those were electronic and that was a battery, but it has that same kind of little kid happy glow in the dark kind of a feel to it. It will run for a half an hour straight on that high lume, and when that's done, you do have superluminova on all the plots. So just like a normal Panerai would. So great legibility either way, but I've never seen anything like this. Down here at 6 o'clock, when you push it in, you actually have a power reserve right down here for that extra illumination. The watch not only has a 3-day power reserve, it's still 500 meters water resistant. It is a submersible in every way, shape, or form, even the big E-Lux on the back. The new material at ti-ceramitech is their solution for hardness versus scratch resistancy. It is 5 times harder than any other ceramic we've dealt with. Absolutely phenomenal. It's only the second piece I've seen in this material. Check the link above. A whole video on ti-ceramitech and how cool it is. If you want to know more, right there. This is an extremely limited watch. This is not easy to make. Anytime I see something that's really new and somebody brings it all the way out to market, it's rare. We don't see that very much nowadays. So this is a limited edition of 150 pieces. Now they're only going to be doing 50 per year for 3 years. So if you think you want one, if you think you might be in the market for one, please reach out, as again, these are going to be incredibly limited. Not cheap. These things are going to be darn close to 100K. So count your pennies. If it's something you really, really want, we can certainly help you make it happen. I really appreciate you guys tuning in to everything we do here at Oliver Smith. I cannot tell you what a joy it is to do. If you're traveling, Aspen is gorgeous. Please poke your head and say hi to those guys. If you're out here in Scottsdale, stop into the flagship store or head down to Fashion Square and say hi to the guys down there. Thanks.